Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I replace burnt out automatic voltage meter with multi-tester meter. Well, this automatic voltage regulator, the voltage indicator had already burned out, maybe, so I will replace it, and I will show you how I modify and make a circuit to adapt on a multi-tester voltage meter. Okay, so I will take this out, this burnout multi-test meter. Okay. Now I got a discarded multi-tester which is already broken, so I will take the voltage meter and I will adapt it on this automatic voltage regulator. But I need to have a circuit on this one because I cannot connect it directly into a 220. It will totally burn out also or destroyed. So what I did is I have a stock automatic voltage regulator here. I copy the circuit for the voltage meter, which I had found out that is I had drawn it in a diagram like this, and I found out all the components which I need. So this is a very beneficial circuit also, because I observed this is a general circuit for most of a voltage meter. So I prepared the material, which is 150 kilo ohm 1 watt resistor, a 250 pilot light, a 1 kilo ohm potentiometer, a diode which is 1N4007, a capacitor which is 25 volts 47 microfarad, and 3 watts capacitor which is 100 kilo ohm. So this is all prepared now, and I'm going to make a circuit of it out of a Formica board. So this is a piece of Formica which I observed will do the job. I had already cut it, and I will start the process in installing the components one by one. So I need a drill with a drill bit of 1.5 millimeter. So I already make a mark and make the first hole. So the first component that I will install is the potentiometer, which is on the top. Okay, I'll bend it a little so that it will not drop down. So I will proceed one by one until I finish off all the components. So I will pause for a while and I will show you when it is finished. Okay? Okay, now the final stage is after preparing the hole on the EBR panel. So I will have to install this voltage meter now, and also don't forget to apply some plastic glue on the side so that this will not be prip out. Alright, so I'll install it here now. Alright, and I will fasten it here, and to 20-volt connection. Okay, so the connection is finished. Now it's time for testing. Just make sure this wire doesn't. Okay, so that it is now. So we're ready for testing. On a 20 to 20 volts. Okay, switch on. Okay, so this is working good now. It need to be calibrated on, this is 200, yeah, it need to be calibrated on a 220 by means of a potentiometer on the side here. Okay, so that's okay. So now it is registering 220 volts on the TVR. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So that is folks for today. So that is how I replace the burnout voltage meter. This is an analog meter with a multi-tester voltage meter. Okay, so thanks for watching and good day.